We're going back with a trusted peeled potatoes in a tin from Aldi, 50p. Today's weather outside is frightening. Wind comes through here because I've got this opened eave stuff, so you can still hear the wind. And it's breezy, man. It's cold. Very, very cold today out here. But we're in here and we're going to give this a go. What we're going to make is some curried, flavoured roast potatoes using our trusted air fryer. She ain't been to work for a while, this one. Not been to work for a while. So, let's get that on. I know you don't have to warm these up, but I like to give them a little bit of heat circulating through. While we put that on there, we're going to set that to 180. We're going to open them up, drain the water out, brush on a little bit of curry powder. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it up with some water as well, grind it up a little bit while I saw that, and then paste it on in the air fryer, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Let's have a look. Bring them out, nice crushed bit of salt, pepper, garlic granules, whatever, and see if we can make a new flavoured roast potato using tin potatoes. Why not? So, curry powder in there. What we're going to do, grab ourselves a little bit of water. Nice. Using a spoon, mix that together. It's like paste, yeah? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Like paste. Drop more water, because I want to go a little bit further. That's better. That's better. Potatoes opened. Out. Simple. See that? Where it's got the heat on it already. Nice. There's your tatters. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut some of them up. So that the big ones are the same size as the small ones, so that they cook at the same sort of time. Because if you don't do that, they ain't going to cook at the same sort of time. So, I'm going to bang them in there. You eat them straight out of the tin. And nice, I had them the other day actually. I did warm them up, put them in the microwave, and just literally had these potatoes with a little bit of salt and a lashing of pepper. I do like my spices. I've got to say, that was very, very nice. You know what, why don't we keep them out? If we put them in there, thinking they was going to be the same sort of size, but where they're different, let's bring them out and then we can place them up on this board. And you can visually see. See them? Nice. Cut them out. Nice little roasties. Up there as well. Who's coming? My Teddy's coming, there you go. I can hear him. Like a little burglar coming out. He smells food, that's what it is. I did. Did you smell food? Curried roast potatoes, what are you saying? Yeah. Well, we don't know, do we? This is the new flavours, right? This is why we got to try this stuff. Smells lovely. Because, you know what gave me this idea? My read the other day, she's talking about, you know, they do like jacket potatoes with curry, jacket potatoes with chilli and whatever else. Spudgy-like they call them, don't they? And it gave me the idea, and I thought, well, if you do them in a jacket potato, why not as a roast potato? Look at that. Just changed a basic tin potato into something that, fingers crossed, tastes the absolute bee's knees. Put them in there. We'll keep this curry sauce on the board and we'll reuse it as well. We'll go on top. You're going to have to give that a couple of dippings. That ain't just going to be enough as one. That's going to want more flavour. So I'm going to knock some more of this curry sauce up. They're going to go in the air fryer for 15 minutes. We'll pull them out and we'll have a look at what they're doing in 15 minutes time. Nice. Around a little bit with a spoon. That. They look good. I've pasted them up a couple of times, right? They're looking lovely. Back in, I reckon another 8 minutes or so. I'll knock some more paste up in the meantime. The boss lady's here to try these lovely tatters. Empty bowl.
Nice.
Smell it.
Yeah. Oh. What you made?
Curried potatoes using tinned potatoes.
Okay.
They're looking nice. Another couple of minutes. I want them crispier.
Okay.
Another couple of minutes. I want them crispier, and then we're going to go on with some salt. Always salt, come on, always salt. And I reckon a little bit of
Coriander?
yeah, baby.
There's a curry. That smells good.
Smells good, doesn't it? I'm going to go on with some of that just for garnish to make it all look pretty and stuff, you know. We're not red. Why not red?
That's like anger.
No, oh, is that what it is? Anger. We're setting the mood.
Oh, that's nice. I like green.
Green?
Green's quite calming.
We've got the green lights going on, so we're setting the mood, ready to eat our curry potatoes.
So whatever light you've got on, I know what mood you're in here.
Is that what it is? Not red. Don't want red mood.
Come out the back door.
Don't go out the back door and I'm in a red mood. Listen to them. Oh yeah.
They're crispy, aren't they?
Yeah, you can hear them, can't you? Crisping up, lovely. Obviously I've got to do a little bit of a clear up job. That's all gravy.
Is that what you called me out?
Ren, do me a favour. Grind some lovely salt on there, please. Yeah, the lid's on. You sausage.
I thought you might have taken it off. It's a new one then, because normally it's not on there.
Check.
Whatever.
Alright, lots of salt. Lots of salt.
Yeah,
Come on.
There's loads, Brad.
There's not enough salt in there. You've got to get them in. Thank you. Lovely, lovely. Right, break some of that coriander up, please.
Dear, dear. That's not very funny.
I know, darling, I know. I was waiting for you to do it properly. Look at that. And there you have it. Curried roast potatoes out of a tin. Hot, hot, hot. Be careful. Don't want to be burning yourself. Yeah, get a little bit of that as well on it, though. Get that as well.
They're nice. It's nice for a cold day like today.
You know what? If you have them on a little salad.
With a little bit of chilli.
I said the reason I come out with the idea is because you like jacket potatoes with curry, with chilli, like fudge you like.
Oh, there you go.
So it's like,
version.
there's my version of it. When I was in the shop this morning looking for some ideas,
I inspired you.
you inspired me. But that's really nice. And for
really
what
like
money?
that.
And for what money?
I'd never think of doing that. Tin tomato.
Tin potatoes. Like 50p. Under a quid that.
No, because you just go and buy normal potatoes, don't you?
Under a pound. You ain't got a boil then. They're done.
Nothing.
Done.
That's
Yeah?
That's a keep, that.
Yeah?
I'll do that again.
Come on.